gauge area is sufficient to begin gardening. 1 gauge area is very much sufficient to pursue your hobby of gardening. ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये 1 गज का ही एरिया है. Now let me show you what I have planted in this 1 gaj pot gardening space. You can see this is curry plant, here it's rose, and also a bean plant. Then it's pan, magai, bitter leaf plant. Then a philodendron, wooden philodendron. Rose, and of course a money plant with broad leaves. Here you can see Song of India, Dracena reflexa. In the base again it's pan, bitter leaf, magai. Now in the second row it's hibiscus, common red hibiscus which bloomed yesterday. Money plant, more than 21 years old, just an attempt to keep it in a form of bonsai. This is mogra, common jasmine, and you can see it's Gandhraj lemon. Then in this pot this is syngonium and a newly planted rose. Then Gandhraj flower. Gandhraj flower is gardenia jasmine which has bloom white in color, that of Chandni Tagar. And then the plant of Gandhraj jasmine, it's common tulsi, common green one. This is black tulsi, the one with black spells here, Sham tulsi, commonly called tulsi, Sham tulsi. Then patta jasmine, patta ajwain. Patta ajwain is a species of coleus. It is very much different from true ajwain, that those seeds which we use in kitchen. And it's snake plant, the mother-in-law's tongue. So the point is only to say, even if the growth is slower in comparison to what you see in ground, but still it will give you same happiness as you find plants providing in happiness in larger areas. तो कितना ही बड़ा हो गार्डन, चाहे ये सिर्फ 1 गज के छोटे रखे हुए कुछ स्पेस में छोटे और बड़े गमलों का एक मिक्स हो, तो ये 10 गमले भी जो हैं these are sufficient to keep you happy and you can be equally satisfied with your gardening as those people are who are growing in larger spaces. Happy gardening.